This is a usual day at AIISH, where more than 200 new patients visit every day. As a patient care focused institute, AIISH has simplified access to its services by offering online appointments. Let's now go over the steps for booking an appointment online. You can log into our official website by visiting www.aishmysuru.in. Once you are on the home page, click on the Online Services option to access the available services. In the new window, select the Book Appointment option. This will direct you to a new page where you can select the state that AIISH belongs to. Choose Karnataka as AIISH is located in Karnataka. Next, you can select the consultation mode. Two options will be available. You can choose one that best suits your requirement. The next step is to choose the type of evaluation you need. You can select either speech language evaluation or audio evaluation depending on your needs. After selecting the evaluation type, you will need to choose a date for your appointment. Please note that Saturday and Sunday are closed, so you can select any other day based on your availability and requirement. In this window, you can enter your mobile number and the characters displayed on the screen. An OTP will be sent to your phone, which should be entered in the corresponding space. You can register up to 6 new members using the same phone number. To proceed, click on the Register Member option. Next, select your residential area from the option provided. All the state names are listed, so you can choose the state to which you belong. If you have an Ayushman Bharat Health account, then you can add the account number here. If you don't have also, this platform provides a provision to create an account number here. If you don't want to create an account, you can move further by clicking on the No option. In this video, you can enter the demographical details such as your name, date of birth, gender, email address, your home address, the country you belong, the state and the district. After entering all the details, you can click on the Submit button. After this, you will be getting a confirmation message regarding your appointment status.